I have my bowl, my cup and a half of water, salt, my starter in my jar that I fed this morning the same time I fed yours. Got my flour and my spatula. So we're going to start by putting my cup and a half of water in here. And it calls for a cup of starter, and I don't ever really measure it, but I usually get close to a cup. So I put that in there. Looks like a big glob. Let me see if I can get you. It's just a glob. So I'm going to stir this around until it's kind of mixed in pretty good. Okay, so that's mixed in pretty good. Now I'm going to add my flour. It calls for 3.5 cups. So I just dump it all right in. 1, 2, 3 and a half. And then it calls for a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to put that in there. Now I'm going to mix it around. And you're just going to want to mix it until there's like no dry bits. So I'm going to pause this and I'll come back. Okay, it's all mixed in. It's a shaggy dough. That's what you call that. It's all kind of just hanging out. There's no dry bits. There's a little bit on the edge because my bowl's plastic, but that's okay. So now what I'm going to do is just cover it up. The lid on it, and I will stick it just on my counter until the morning. So in the morning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my pan. I like to use this cast iron pan, and I think it's about an 8-inch, but I also have used my 10.5-inch for this loaf. It just ends up with a flatter piece of bread. So all you do is you preheat your oven to 450. You stick your pan inside. Ooh, don't look inside of there. You let your pan heat up with your oven, and then when it's ready, you dump your dough into your hot pan. So you'll pull your pan out and dump the dough into there, and then you'll stick it right back in your oven for 30 minutes. Enjoy!